What's going on, everyone? My name is Shane Kipper. I'm going to be talking about some things that have been really going on in my life. Maybe it might help you get through some things that you might be going through at this point in your life. So, I've never been in a position where I'm making good money. Money, when I say good money, I mean money that I can go do the things that I want. I can go buy things from the store, without having to worry about if I have enough in my account. It's just not even a question. It's just, I want this and I'm going to have it. I'm going to get it. And so I've finally got myself into this point, and it's very surreal. I feel so grateful and thankful for the opportunities that have come into my life, for the people, the circumstances, the things that happen that lead me to new circumstances that benefit me and bring me closer to the point, my true mission, my goals in life. And a lot of that has to do with, imaging the way that I want to be, having in mind who I want to become. Also, understanding that I have to embody that person. I can't just vision a guy with a six pack and, a hot girlfriend and, just boatloads of money and hope it's going to happen. I've got to learn how to become that person. And so, when it comes to the six pack, I got to learn how to eat and fuel my body properly and work out in order to make those results manifest. The hot girl, I have to define that girl. I have to, based on what those definitions are for that girl, which I've already found her, Mackenzie Young, I love you. Based on what those definitions are, I have to become those definitions. I have to be confident in myself because I want a confident woman. I want to be a business owner because I want someone who has a business mindset that is in my relationship. I want someone who is beautiful, and she's very beautiful, and so I have to not necessarily become beautiful, but love myself, because when I love myself, I understand that I am beautiful, and I attracted exactly what I was looking for. And when it comes to the boatload of money, the thing that changed things the most for me when it comes to money is being grateful for what I have now. I am so happy and grateful now that money, opportunity, and resources come to me in infinite abundance from multiple sources on a continuous basis. So, it's about changing the focus. It's about getting, those are some crazy ladies. It's Mackenzie's birthday, so they're partying in the limo. So I'm going to end this real quick, but change your focus, become the person, be what you want in your life. You have to be that in order to attract that, and it takes practice, it takes consistent work, it takes learning and changing your mind, listening to audios, and really going deep on information that changes your life. So I hope this was helpful. Change your focus, determine what it is that you want, and go be that person, baby. I love y'all. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you real soon.